Okay, konnichiwa minasan. Good afternoon everyone, I'm Josephine and it's unboxing time again. This time is Panasonic blender. And I just bought this today because the old one is already broken. That's why I bought a new one. But this one is a new version of Panasonic. And here it goes. It's Panasonic. The model brand is Panasonic. The brand name is Panasonic, an MX-X301R, and it's 1000 ml. So this cost is only almost 10,000 yen. 9,000, I think it's 9,967 yen. So here we go. Okay, let's unboxing. And what's inside? What's inside? First is the manual. I don't know what it's this. This one. Okay. And the manual, and there's also recipes here, and the guide how to use it, and it's all about recipe, how to make smoothie. Okay, and first there's brush, cleaning brush, I think. Okay, sit aside, and the cup, and this one, the balls. Okay. And first, this one. I don't know what it is. This cut. Sorry guys, I don't know what is this. So, and the battery is here. Remove this. Okay. And the color is also red. It's pretty heavy. Umutay. So this one, this is full. First is this one. It's very nice and it's a little bit heavy. And it's 1000 capacity ml, and the cover. Okay, just push it and what is this? Oops, and it's removable. Oops, I don't know how to return this one. My goodness. Shit. Okay, later. And let's it aside. And of course, the body. Oops, it's color red. It's kind of pretty it's nice. Oh, but I don't know how to use this, but okay. Oops. Okay, it's left. It's already left. And I'm struggling to put this back on. I don't know how, but later I will. But for now, this is the Panasonic blender made in Japan, and the model is MX-X301. Yes, the brand name is Panasonic, of course. We all love Panasonic. So I always choose red color because it's my favorite color. So that's it. That's all for my unboxing. And please hope you like and subscribe and stay tuned to my next unboxing. Bye bye. Sayonara, matane.